We clean approximately 1,500 to 2,000 grease traps a year throughout Logan Airport, various malls, restaurants through the North End and on the North Shore. One of the differences between us and other companies is the type of equipment that we use. Many companies years ago would go in there with a 5-gallon bucket and scoop the material out. We use all of the latest vacuum equipment. They're small, they're 50-gallon vac, all self-contained vacuum tanks with air filters on them. The service tech will go in, bring the unit in, open up the grease trap, thoroughly clean it out, suck it down to the bottom, remove any debris, anything on the sidewalls, close everything back up, fill it up, put a deodorizer in there, and move on their way. So they're in and out of there, taking all the material out, leaving nothing behind, no chance of any debris on the bottom that could get into the pipe and block it up in the future as well. As it stands right now, we are removing approximately 50,000 gallons of fry oil a year. On larger types of grease trap, we have 2 5,000-gallon pump trucks that will go out. And again, we don't just skim the top of the grease traps. We will pump down, completely remove all material in the grease traps each time that we do it. They then take that material, process it, and it's just being reused over and over again.